How to stop notification from Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management. If you don't find the setting here, simply go back. Now tap on the search bar. Now type app management. Now simply tap on it. Now scroll down and find Chrome. Now tap on manage notifications. Now, now simply disable this toggle. Now the next method is simply open up your Chrome browser, tap on three dots and go to settings. Now scroll down and tap on notifications. Again simply disable this toggle and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.